Welcome back to Today, we're diving into the latest updates in what's changing, what's in demand, and how you can stay ahead in 2024. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your career, understanding these trends can give you a serious edge. Let's dive into the key trends shaping technical skills this year. All right, let's kick things off with the tech that everyone's talking about, AI and ML. We're talking self-driving cars, personalized recommendations, even medical diagnoses. But here's the thing, AI and ML aren't just about fancy algorithms. It's about using data to solve real-world problems, and that's where your skills come in. If you're looking to break into this field, Python is your go-to language. It's like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages for AI and ML. Then you've got frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Think of these as your toolboxes, packed with pre-built components that make building AI models smoother. But it's not just about the tech. Understanding the ethical implications of AI is becoming increasingly crucial. So make sure you're brushing up on responsible AI development. It's not just a buzzword, it's the future. The bottom line is, if you're comfortable with data and have a knack for problem solving, AI and ML could be your ticket to a cutting-edge career. Next up, let's talk about cybersecurity. This field is more critical than ever. We're living in a digital world, and with that comes an ever-growing threat of cyber attacks. Data breaches, ransomware, you name it, it's a constant battle to stay ahead of the bad guys. But here's the good news. This demand for cybersecurity professionals isn't going away anytime soon. Companies are willing to pay top dollar for people who can keep their data safe. So what does it take to make it in cybersecurity? First off, you need a strong understanding of security protocols. Think of these as the rules of the road for protecting networks and systems. Then there's threat management. You need to be able to identify, analyze, and respond to threats before they turn into major headaches. And this requires a combination of technical skills and good old-fashioned intuition. Of course, you'll need to be comfortable with various security tools, firewalls, intrusion detection systems, security information and event management (SIEM) systems. These are your weapons in the fight against cybercrime. But cybersecurity isn't just about technology, it's also about people. Strong communication skills are key. All right, let's talk data. It's everywhere, right? But it's not just about collecting data, it's about making sense of it. That's where data analysis comes in. Companies are drowning in data, and they need skilled professionals who can turn that data into actionable insights. So if you're someone who loves digging into spreadsheets, spotting trends, and telling stories with data, this could be the field for you. Now, when it comes to data analysis tools, there's no shortage of options. Tableau and Power BI are popular choices for creating interactive dashboards and visualizations. They're user-friendly and relatively easy to learn, even if you're not a coding whiz. But if you really want to level up your data analysis game, learning a programming language like R or SQL is a must. Data analysis isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about understanding the business context and communicating your findings clearly. Chapter 4, Cloud Computing. Cloud computing. It's not just a buzzword, it's the backbone of the modern internet. We're talking about services like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. These platforms are literally changing the game for businesses of all sizes. Instead of investing in expensive hardware and infrastructure, companies can now rent computing power, storage, and other IT resources on demand. But to make the most of cloud computing, you need skilled professionals who know how to navigate these platforms. That's where you come in. If you're comfortable with concepts like virtualization, networking, and security, cloud computing could be your calling. And here's a pro tip. Familiarize yourself with multiple cloud platforms. Having a multi-cloud skill set is like having a superpower in the tech world. Okay, let's talk blockchain. Now, I know what you might be thinking, isn't that just for cryptocurrency? And yeah, blockchain is the technology that powers Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. But here's the thing, blockchain's potential goes way beyond digital cash. We're talking about secure supply chains, transparent voting systems, and even new ways to protect intellectual property. Blockchain is all about creating trust and transparency in a digital world, and that's a big deal. So if you're intrigued by the idea of decentralized systems and want to be at the forefront of this technological revolution, Blockchain is worth exploring. Start by understanding the basics of cryptography, consensus mechanisms, and how transactions are recorded on a blockchain. Once you've got a handle on the fundamentals, you can start exploring different blockchain platforms like Ethereum, Hyperledger Fabric, and Corda. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to find one that aligns with your interests. Chapter 6. Programming languages. Now let's talk about the foundation of it all, programming languages. These are the tools that allow you to communicate with computers and build the amazing things that power our digital world. And in 2024, certain languages are still as relevant as ever. Python, for instance, continues to dominate due to its versatility and beginner-friendliness, whether it's web development, data science, or AI. Python can handle it. Then there's Java, a powerhouse language known for its performance and scalability. It's a popular choice for building enterprise-level applications and Android apps. And let's not forget about JavaScript. It's the language that brings websites to life, making them interactive and engaging. Plus, with frameworks like React and Angular, JavaScript allows you to build complex web applications with ease. Chapter 7. DevOps. It's not just a buzzword, it's a culture, a philosophy, a way of life. Okay, maybe that's a bit dramatic, but DevOps is definitely changing the game in software development. Traditionally, development and operations teams were like two ships passing in the night. Developers would write code, throw it over the wall to operations, and then hope for the best. But DevOps is all about breaking down those silos and fostering collaboration between these teams. The goal is to deliver software faster, more frequently, and with fewer headaches. And to do that, you need the right tools and the right mindset. Tools like Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes are essential for automating the software delivery pipeline, from building and testing code to deploying and monitoring applications. But DevOps is more than just tools. It's about embracing automation, continuous integration, and continuous delivery. Chapter 8. Big Data Technologies. Big Data. It's not just a catchy phrase, it's a reality of the digital age. We're creating and collecting data at an unprecedented rate, and that data has the potential to unlock incredible insights. But to harness the power of big data, you need the right tools and the right skills. That's where big data technologies come in. Frameworks like Hadoop and Spark are designed to process and analyze massive data sets that would bring traditional databases to their knees. These technologies distribute the workload across clusters of computers, allowing you to crunch through terabytes or even petabytes of data with remarkable speed. But big data isn't just about processing power. It's also about choosing the right tools for the job. Hadoop, for example, is great for batch processing large data sets, while Spark excels at real-time data analysis. Chapter 9. Mobile app development. Mobile app development. It's the Wild West of the tech world, with new platforms and frameworks emerging all the time. But one thing's for sure, if you want to reach a massive audience, you need to be where the people are, and increasingly that means mobile. Platforms like React, Native, and Flutter are changing the game, allowing you to build high-quality native-like apps for both iOS and Android using a single code base. This means faster development times, lower costs, and a wider reach for your apps. But mobile app development isn't just about choosing the right platform, it's about understanding the unique challenges of the mobile landscape. You need to design for different screen sizes, optimize for performance on a variety of devices, and navigate the ever-changing world of app stores. Chapter 10. Soft skills. Now, we've talked a lot about technical skills, and trust me, those are crucial. But in today's job market, soft skills are equally important. I'm talking about communication, problem-solving, teamwork, and adaptability. Think about it. You could be the most brilliant programmer in the world, but if you can't effectively communicate your ideas to your team or clients, your technical skills won't get you very far. Problem solving is another essential soft skill in the tech world. Things are constantly changing, and you need to be able to think on your feet, troubleshoot issues, and come up with creative solutions. And let's not forget about teamwork. In today's collaborative work environment, being a team player is non-negotiable. You need to be able to work effectively with others, share ideas, and contribute to a positive and productive team dynamic. The tech world is constantly evolving, so you need to be a lifelong learner, always willing to adapt, upskill, and embrace new technologies. Outro, the future of tech skills. 2024 is shaping up to be a transformative year for technical skills. The need for continuous learning, particularly in AI, cybersecurity, data analysis, cloud computing, and programming, will be more critical than ever. By embracing these trends and focusing on skill development, you'll be well prepared for the future of work. Make sure to subscribe to World Insider for more insights, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching.